Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss two long question answers of chapter 14 standard 6 SS. Standard 6 SS chapter 14, and today it is the sixth lecture. These two long question answers are very important. That is why I am going to discuss. First question: India is a secular country. Explain. We have heard the word again and again, secular. Okay, what does it mean? In Gujarati we say bin sampradayikta. Bin sampradayikta. Okay, in English we are considering secular. Secularism, secular country, na? So India is a secular country. Explain. How can we say that our country India is a secular country? Okay, we have many religions in India. We have many religions. They started in India, and that is why we have equal vision. We have equal vision to each and every religion. In the eyes of law, all Indians are equal, as well as all the religions are considered as equal. Okay, so that is why it is called secular country. Here I have written some points regarding why India is a secular country. Okay, question: India is a secular country. Explain. First point. Answer. First point. The Constitution of India has given. The Constitution of India has given the fundamental rights. The Constitution of India has given the fundamental right of freedom religious. Okay, religious freedom means we are free to follow whatever religion we like. If I am a Christian, if I fail, then I can change my religion and I can follow another religion. I can do. Okay, but by force you cannot. Nobody can force you to change the religion. Okay, willingly I can do, but nobody can force me to change the religion. So the Constitution of India has given fundamental right of religious freedom to all citizens of the country. Those who are called the citizens of India. Okay, those who are called the citizens of India, everybody is enjoying this right, religious freedom. Okay. Second point, this right, which right? Religious freedom. This right has given equal right to all citizens. Religious freedom has given equal right to all citizens without discrimination of religion, caste or sect in India. Okay, we have many. When I explained the chapter, I said India is the land of many religions: Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Hinduism. Okay. So this right has given equal right to all citizens without discrimination of religion, caste or sect in India. Third one, the country treats all the religions as equal. I said when we say about constitution, in the eyes of constitution, not even a single religion is higher or lower. We know we have the majority of Hinduism and we have the minority of Jainism, Christianity, Muslimism, Buddhism. But in the eyes of law, all religions are equal. So the country treats all religions as equal. Next one, no one is higher or lower. Just I say, no one is higher or lower in the eyes of law. In the eyes of law of our country. In the eyes of law, no one is higher and no one is lower. Okay, we cannot say, oh, you are Christian, you are higher. You are Muslim, you are higher, you are Jainism, you are lower. No, my dears, all are equal. In the eyes of law, all are equal. Okay, in India, every citizen is free to follow his or her own religion. Nobody can force you to change the religion. Nobody. And if anybody forces you to change the religion, you can complain directly in High Court. No problem. You can go to the court. Nobody can force you. If you feel that somebody is forcing you, okay, my dear, directly you can just appeal in the court. Okay, so that's why in India every citizen is free to follow his or her own religion. But my dear student, if you want to change the religion, certain conditions are there that we have to follow. Okay, directly we cannot say. Okay, certain things are there why you want to change the religion. Some process is there. Okay, terms and conditions are there that we have to follow. Okay, in India every citizen is free to follow his or her own religion. Next one, the government of India is impartial. The government of India is impartial and neutral. भेदभाव રાખતી નથી. Impartial means not showing discrimination. भेदभाव રાખતી નથી. Okay, and neutral means તટસ્થ. Neither this side or not that side. Is impartial and neutral in all religious matters. When the things come, when the decision comes, when anything comes to take the decision, they consider all the religions equal, and after that they decide. Okay. So the government of India is impartial and neutral in all religious matters. And most important, my dear student, the Constitution of India has adopted the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India has adopted. આપણે શું સ્વીકાર્યું છે? The Constitution of India has adopted the principle of સિદ્ધાંત. Principle means નિયમ, સિદ્ધાંત. Principle of equal vision and equal attitude. Equal vision and equal attitude. So the Constitution of India has adopted the principle of equal vision and equal attitude for all religion, and that is why we can say India is a secular country. Dear students, my next question is write in short about discrimination between. Write a short about the discrimination between girls and boys. That is most important. Even today also, the girls and boys, in some families, they are not considering equal, giving more importance to the boy and giving less importance to the girls. That is really bad. So here in this question answer I am explaining. Okay, all are equal, whether it's a girl or a boy, all are equal. Okay, so here write in short about discrimination between girls and boys. My dear student, first point, there are biological differences. There are biological differences between males and females. Okay, that we know, that you have already learned in science, na? In science you have learned. Okay, what is the difference? Okay, there are biological differences between males and females, that we accept. Okay, second, that is why there is discrimination in upbringing, means that is why there is discrimination in the upbringing of boys and a girl, because of the biological difference. But my dear student, biological difference we are not giving more importance. Nowadays the girls can do what a boy can do. Okay, a girl, the girls can do, the girls can do what the boys can do. Okay, so we can say in all the fields, okay, you will find girls. Okay, even army, police, pilot, okay, everywhere you will find girls, so there is no difference. Okay, third point, in many families today, women do household chores, cooking and upbringing children. Means we are giving more responsibility to them. It is by force it is given that you have to look after the house, you have to do the cooking, you have to take care of children. Okay, and the male, they are dominating, they are not helping. That is not good. Okay, in many families, not in all the families, in some families I have seen, in many families today, women do household chores, cooking and upbringing children. Means three duties are there. Okay, continue. I am continuing. See, in the family, kutuma, in the family, women don't have authority. Women don't have authority to take decision. Okay, suppose any problem occurs, and if she wants to share her idea, the male dominant society don't allow. What they say, "Tane khabar na pade, tu chup bes." They are saying like that one. No, my dear student, it is not good. Okay, even suppose in the family, papa takes decision, mummy has to give some ideas. Her ideas, her suggestion can be accepted. Sometimes her ideas are better than ours. Okay, got it? So in the family, women don't have authority to take decision. Okay, if they are good, but still we don't allow them. We are making discipline. Tane khabar na padi tu chup bes. We are saying like that one. Daughters are deprived of education, healthcare, and economic rights from infancy. Okay, you know, I am sorry to say, but I have seen in one of the family. Okay, after 8 or 10, they don't allow girls to go for studies, higher studies. And suppose a boy is there, though girl is clever, intelligent, but not allowing to study ahead, and the boy who is not good in studies, but still some families, papa, they waste money. I was shocked when I heard this news. I saw. Okay, so my dear student, at some places the girls are not allowed. After completing some studies, they stop. They say no, quite enough. Whatever you want to learn, you have completed. Now you can do. They send for the marriage, means marriage and just looking after the children, family, like that, only giving things. Okay, and giving more importance to the boy's son. Okay, here I have written, daughters are deprived of education, healthcare and economic rights from infancy. Next one, girls are discriminated. Most important, the girls are discriminated in clothes, opportunities for study, in moving freely, in professional work. Suppose if in the family, if our sister wants to go for work out of state or out of country, we say no, you don't go, you are alone, nobody will look after. We stop. And for the boys, we are giving more opportunities. We allow, we send them. Okay, that's why I have written here. Girls are discriminated in clothes, opportunities for study, in moving freely and in professional work. Next one, due to low literacy, just I said, girls are clever still. In some families, they are not allowed to study. They stop girls study. Due to low literacy rate among girls, once again, due to low literacy rate among girls, they have become victims of child marriage, parda system, dowry system, as well as some evil customs. Because of that low literacy rate, I have seen today also in some families after the marriage, the husband they beat their wife. That is very bad habit. Showing their purushatva means uh, he is a husband. That's why he is just beating. That is totally bad habit. In our society, we are using some word for them. Okay. So due to low literacy rate among girls, they have become victims of child marriage, parda system, dowry system, as well as some other evil custom. Okay. Here I have forgotten one word to write down R. Okay. Other evil customs. My dear student, my dear student, girls, you have some rights. You have to use their right. And government has given Nari Adalat, even a Mahila police. Okay, even if you dial 181, the one will come to your door. They will help you. So we are giving more importance. You have to use. Okay, don't just don't run blindly. Okay, you have some rights. You just fight for that. Okay, so due to low literacy rate among girls, they have become victims of child marriage, parda system, dowry system, as well as some other evil customs. Next one, since birth of a son, જ્યારે બાળક છોકરાનો જન્મ થાય છે ત્યારની વાત કરું છું. Since birth of a son is given preferences in society. We are saying na છોકરો થયો પેડા એક છો. That is bad habit. Whether it's a boy or girl, go for pedas. Okay. Since birth of a son is given preferences in society, women have to suffer female foeticide. You know, you have seen some serials. You have seen the Saas Bahu. Okay. You have seen the serial Saas Bahu. What is that? We can say when any woman is there, okay, any girl is there, when after marriage goes to others house, what happens? She becomes a victim of some other things. Okay, dowry system and some other things. Here I have done. See, women have to suffer from foeticide. Strino dusmonat stri. That is why. Okay. Next one. The less number of female in different fields. The less number of female in different fields show discrimination between males and females. At some places, girls are working with male boys, but what happened at that place, in that office, in that field also, the male, the boys, they are just giving some discrimination. They are not allowing the girl, okay, to work, okay, freely. And that is why we say it is a man-dominating society. We have to oppose. Here each and everyone has equal right, whether it is a boy or girl. The less number of female in a different fields show discrimination between males and females. Got it? Next time we will learn more.